Yo, what's good, y'all? It's Latrell, and today, woo, oh man, we going crazy today. It seems like we're just going crazy every single holiday season. And now we're here, and now y'all get some dope unboxings. So I thought I'd never see myself with one, but now I actually do because, well, I got it. So yeah, we got the Nintendo Switch, y'all. So you know what we got to do for this? I got all the accessories and everything from Best Buy because you see the Insignia logo. So you know what we got to do? We got to get into it. Alright y'all, so I'm excited today because I always wanted a Nintendo Switch and now I finally got one. I've been thinking about it. I didn't know if I should wait for the new Nintendo Switch to come out whenever that does come out, or if I should just get the Nintendo Switch now, which obviously I did. And I pretty much just got this as a Christmas present to myself, like ain't nothing wrong with that. I still got my mom a Galaxy Note 10 for Christmas, so it's not like I'm just leaving anybody in the dust. But yeah, I got some accessories and everything because I want to make sure I want to protect my Switch, so I got this Insignia glass screen protector here and I got this case. And if you didn't know already, Insignia is the Best Buy brand, so I was thinking about getting the official Nintendo Switch one, the actual case, but I was like, nah, we ain't doing that. So yeah, now we gotta bust into the box. But first off, I'm gonna look around here real quick. So we got the Nintendo Switch logo here at the top, and I know I'm super late with the unboxing. It came out 2 years ago, but now I'm coming out with this. But yeah, we got Nintendo Switch here on the left side, and then we got a different picture here in the back. Same thing on the right, and nothing at the top except for a Nintendo logo, and at the bottom we just get some info. And yeah, now's the time we crack into the box. It don't look like we need the unboxing knife though, which sucks, but I mean, it is what it is. But yeah, so here we go. So it's telling us how to plug it in and set it up and all that stuff. And oh man, here's our Nintendo Switch. So yeah, here's the actual Switch itself. It's pretty much like a tablet. But yeah, here's our Nintendo Switch. It does have USB-C, thank God. And then here we got the fans and everything. That's where you put an SD card on there. Go ahead and get me one. Nintendo Switch logo on the back. So now let's go ahead and put that to the side here, and let's go ahead and close this unboxing knife, I guess. But here we got our Joy-Cons here. We got the red one and the blue one. Classic Nintendo Switch look. So yeah, pretty clicky buttons and everything. I'm feeling that. I haven't had a Nintendo since the Wii, and that was a minute ago. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into this box mode. So here we got the HDMI cord. So they give you an HDMI cord. That's pretty dope. I'm liking that. And then here we got a USB-C charger. It's actually an AC charger, so it's not like it's USB or anything, but I got a bunch of USB-C cables anyway. But yeah, we got the instructions and all that. What we do with this, y'all know what we do with it. We throw it to the side. And then here, it looks like we got our little stand here for our Joy-Cons. Or no, we actually got a controller attachment. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that over there, and I'm pretty sure this is where the stand is for the Nintendo Switch, where you dock it. And over here, we got this strap. We got the same thing over here. And then yeah, let's go ahead and get to this dock right here. But yeah, so here's our dock, our Nintendo branded dock. So you put it down like this on the table, and then you just put your Switch in there. But now I got this screen protector because I'm not trying to scratch my screen. Because I heard your screen gets scratched when you put it in there, so I'm worried about that. I would have never thought about getting a screen protector if the person at the library that works there told me about it, so shout out to you. Shout out to you, Alexandria. But yeah, so here we got our Nintendo Switch screen, like our actual Nintendo Switch. So it doesn't look like there's any plastic pre-installed on the screen, so we gotta put on that screen protector. But it looks plastic to me, even though there's no plastic screen protector on it already. So I don't know, is it just like a cheap look or something? I don't really know if I'm feeling that. But I did pay like $300 for this whole thing. With taxes and all that, was probably like $320. I don't really remember. But yeah, y'all, I mean, that's pretty much it for our Nintendo Switch. That's all we get in the box right there. And then we got our dock, and then we got our Nintendo Switch. I really don't know anything at all about a Nintendo Switch, so I gotta learn about this, man. I don't even know how to turn it on. But I guess we could bust out the Joy-Cons and attach it to it. I played with a Nintendo Switch, so I know you just slide it on like that, but like, I don't really know that much about it. I know that person at the library got one. I know my brother Kenny got one, and now I got one. But let me go ahead and grab my Galaxy Fold real quick. I want to do a screen comparison. Alright, so I got my Galaxy Tab S6 and I got my Galaxy Fold right here. And this Galaxy Fold right here has a 7.3 inch screen. So let's go ahead and put it up against this. I don't even know how big this screen is. So let's open up something with a white screen that I know hasn't been updated yet. So we're going to use Cash App here, and that's the screen comparison there. So the Galaxy Fold is actually bigger, and of course it's going to be wider. Almost as wide as with that notch right there. But yeah, so that's the Galaxy Fold right there. Let's bust out the Tab S6. And yeah, like big comparison there. Like the whole Nintendo Switch itself is like the Galaxy Tab size. But yeah, I do feel comfortable. I ain't gonna lie. I haven't bought any games or anything yet, so I gotta go ahead and do that. Like Mario Kart, of course. So yeah, that's the Switch right there. If you want to go and take this out, you go ahead and press this button right here, and then you just slide up. And yeah, this is actually where it slides into. And yeah, let's go ahead and hold on to this and turn this thing on if it got some battery, and it do. So we got our Nintendo logo right there. It just turned off. And now we got Nintendo Switch. And cool, why am I still okay? It just vibrated. So yeah, man, I'm excited about this, I ain't gonna lie. So yeah, I gotta go through the setup and everything here. I'm gonna just go ahead and get into these boxes real quick with the accessories. So let's go ahead and check out this Insignia screen protector. Probably not much to show here, but yeah, this is the Insignia screen protector here. We got our dry wipes and our wet wipes, and then we actually get 2 screen protectors in here. Now this is actually the case right here. So like I said, I was thinking about getting a Nintendo one. I saw a Pokemon one I really wanted, but I was like, nah, I can't do that. It just looked too thick. Otherwise, if it wasn't too thick, then I would have got it. I mean, it's only 10 bucks extra and it looked really dope. But yeah, you just go ahead and put the Switch in there, go ahead and close it up, zip it up. Just a basic little case here, but I want to go ahead and protect my Switch. But yeah, y'all, that's all I got for y'all today. So let me know what y'all think about the Nintendo Switch. Do you got a Nintendo Switch? That's another question I got. So now I got 2 gaming consoles. I got this and my Xbox One S. And I'm getting the Xbox Series X or the Xbox or whatever it's going to be called, and I'm getting a PS5. That's next year, obviously, but like I said, I'm still going to be getting it. So cool. I'm back in the console game. But yeah, thanks for watching. If you like this video, go and give this video a like. And if you really like this, go and subscribe. I don't know if I'm going to be posting a Note 10 unbox at first or this, but I think it might be the Nintendo Switch. I'm not sure. We'll see. But yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see y'all in the next one, and peace out.